Did you know there's a tiny shrimp that creates one of the loudest sounds in the ocean? Meet the pistol shrimp. Instead of using strength, it snaps its oversized claw so fast that it creates a powerful shock wave and a bubble hotter than the surface of the sun for a tiny fraction of a second. The blast is strong enough to stun or even kill small fish and crabs. Despite being only a few inches long, this incredible hunter uses physics as its ultimate weapon. Nature is full of unbelievable surprises. Follow for more amazing animal facts.